Your crawl space is a virtually unprotected environment, exposing the wood framing system to extreme moisture conditions. These conditions weaken the structural integrity of the lumber supporting interior flooring, costing homeowners thousands to tens of thousands of dollars to repair. The wood framing and subfloor can only absorb so much moisture before expensive interior damage like sagging floors and walls, hardwood cup, or cracks in drywall occur. A humid southern crawl space and organic building materials are also the perfect combination for the growth and spread of wood-destroying mold and fungus that not only feed on the lumber, but can also aggravate symptoms of health-related issues like allergies, asthma, and COPD. Watson Seal Crawl Space Framing and Subfloor Sealer is the first non-toxic, VOC-free polymer sealer specifically designed to protect your structural framing and subfloor system. The sealer forms a permanent, durable microfilm that protects your crawl space framing and subfloor from excessive moisture absorption and stabilizes the existing moisture content levels in the wood to acceptable levels. Watson Seal Crawl Space Framing and Subfloor Sealer is an affordable, environmentally sound sealer that's safe for the entire family, including pets. It resists mold and fungus and is FEMA flood grade rated, staving off floodwaters up to an astonishing 18 days for an unmatched layer of premium protection. Watson Seal Crawl Space Framing and Subfloor Sealer is a professionally installed, one-and-done process that protects the entire floor framing system day and night, 365 days a year, adding major value to your home, and is backed by a 30-year damage and lifetime flooding transferable warranty. It's the innovative, affordable solution to your home's moisture issues that really delivers great peace of mind. Before you encapsulate, take a few minutes to get more information or request a free, no-obligation quote at watsonseal.com.